So I'm going to take this candle hole and put a stick and attach it with hot glue in the middle. Then I'm going to take 4 balloons, just stacking them up all the way to the top. Then I'm going to take this balloon stick. I'm going to cut a little piece and cut it in the like that in the middle, and then just slide it down into the stick like that. Then I'm going to place my balloon on top. I took some tissue paper, and I'm just going to go ahead and wrap it up at the bottom. And you can see I put some flowers and some butterfly to make it look cute and stand out. And this is how cute, guys, it turns out. Something so cute and simple you guys can do. For the next DIY, just take some glue stick in the dark, and you're going to use 2 of these, and then just go ahead and attach it all the way around it. Once you done attaching the whole thing on the top, you're gonna make, once the circle is done, just go ahead and grab some spray paint and spray paint it, a glue stick and some floral foam, and attach it to the top. Then place some flower around it and a mirror. And then I took this balloon and put a balloon stick at the bottom, at the top, and then place all your balloons inside. This is how cute the first one turns out, so simple. And this one, how the second one turns out. For the next DIY, I just took a small mirror, traced it out, and I'm just gonna cover the mirror. If you wanted the mirror to be gold, just leave the paper. Go ahead and take some stick and place it all the way around it. Just continue attaching it one by one until you are done attaching the whole thing. Spray paint it in gold or whatever color you're doing. Take a balloon holder and place it on top, a flower just to make it some cute, and then add some lights. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Something so simple that you guys can do at home. For the next DIY, I grabbed some balloon stick and this glass mirror cutting board from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and place it together and put some hot glue and attach it to the bottom part. Go ahead and grab your light and just go ahead and circle all around it. And I'm gonna take another one from the balloon stick and place another one on top and place my balloon, place a few flowers on the top, and then just go ahead and wrap around on my light just like that. Then after that, I'm just gonna put some more balloon at the bottom, a flower, and this is how cute, guys, it turns out. So simple to do. I love it how it turns out. Then I took this small glass and I'm going to attach another balloon stick in the middle. I'm going to take some bubble gum and fill it up. I'm going to put another balloon on top, and I'm going to put some clear paper, and I'm going to use 3 balloons to attach it to the middle and attach it, and put some flower. And this is how cute it turns out. Something so simple that you guys can do, but you can also add a few more things. I just went ahead and add another ball, and I add some circle all the way around it with different colors. This is another way that you guys can do, and it turned out super cute as well. For the next DIY, I just grabbed one of these boxes from Dollar Tree, and I use some marble. I'm going to spread it out all the way and attach it, spray paint it, and put some flower or put some floral foam, and then attach another balloon stick and a balloon on the top and add some flower to it. This is how it turns out with the first one. You could just leave it at that, as simple as that, or you could turn it out into a balloon centerpiece like this one. I think it came out super cute, and I think it's something that you guys can do fast and easy. For the next DIY, I'm just going to go ahead and grab one of these little container, put some floral foam, put some tissue paper, and I took this marshmallow. I'm just going to put it on a toothpick and attach all the way around it. Take your balloon stick and place it inside. Then I took this clear balloon and place a flower inside, attach it to the top, and place little flowers. And this is how cute it turns out. This one came out so cute, and they can also eat it while it's on the table. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Let's not forget to follow me and like. Thanks again.